Now, here's another school looking to secure your votes and make it all the way to the top 10. This school was named in honor of one of our most beloved Olympians. Think you know which school it is? Well, this is about to give it away. They hail from Hanover. So let's give it up for Merlene Ottey High with their Revival Medley.
Hold me right hand, Jesus. Hold me right hand. Oh Lord, make you hold me right hand. Hold me right hand, Jesus. Hold me right hand. Oh Lord, make you hold me right hand. One more river to cross. One more river to cross. One more river to cross. One more river to cross.
Merlene Ottey, that was refreshing. Nice to hear some revival. I can't wait to hear it when the folk time come. That's gonna be great. Thank you very much for being here.
Merlene Ottey, thank you. That was lovely.
Yeah, it was so energetic and it was contagious, what you're doing and your expression and everything. I like how you use your movements to help bring out what you're singing and all this thing about Obeah man come, and the call and answer. Very nice. The only thing is that when you said, like a scare part, when you said the enemy, we never heard the words down there because you're, moving so hard. So, but it was very good and it was different,
Do you think Merlene Ottey High has what it takes to move on to the next round? Well, if you do, vote by calling or texting 444-8805.